probably can't tell on the video, but this is painful. Day 2. Day 3. Almost at the ferry port. Complete nightmare to wake up at this time. There we go, we're on the boat and we are leaving France. Le New Forest. Nico, il fait beau, hein?
Il fait un temps magnifique.
Ouais, ouais.
Et on entend le train toute la nuit.
Ouais.
Ready to go?
Non. Day 5, I'm feeling it in my legs. Alors c'est très beau, mais c'est comment aujourd'hui?
Je suis très content.
Ouais, très content. Day 5.
Day 5.
It's day 6 and we're in the middle of leaving Bath. We've had a lot of problems today. We had to fix a flat tire on Nico's bike. Then there was a flat tire on my bike as well, and we couldn't take the wheel off because we didn't have all the tools we need. So we had to take it to a bike shop who repaired the puncture. Then we took lunch and found another problem on my bike. And so we took it back to the bike shop, and now it's like 4 o'clock in the afternoon, and only now we're leaving for our route of day 6. We're almost at the Severn Bridge. On est où?
Le Pigalle.
Day 7. We just left Newport and we're on our way to the final destination at my parents'. We got about 24 kilometers to go. Ouais, c'est fou quoi. Ouais, chez moi quoi. Jesus. Hiya. Hello. Oh my God.
Here to welcome you as well.
Hello, Billy.
Oh, well done.
Oh.
Are you exhausted?
Yeah.
I bet you
This
are.
is my mum and dad, Nico.
Hello,
This is
welcome.
Nicolas.
And look at this one. This one's a little Billy boy.
Hey, there she is. Hello, Max. Hello. Hello, Maddie.
Oh, you're so excited now that you've been.